Mae adeilad hanesyddol y Pierhead ym Mae Caerdydd wedi llwyfannu cyngerdd gan gôr o blant am ddifad o Ganolfan Blant Kampala yn Uganda. Daeth yr adeilad rhestredig nodedig yn fyw i gyfeilion drymiau, canu a dawnsio wrth i'r plant gyfleu straeon ysbrydoledig o obaith mewn perfformiad unigryw. Mae Cwr Plant Destiny Africa yn cynnwys 20 o blant rhwng 8 ac 16 oed am ddifad neu a adawyd gyda rhiant sy'n methu gofalu amdanynt mwyach oherwydd rhyfel, tlodi enbyd neu salwch sy'n ymwneud ag AIDS.
What we are taking from here is anything is possible, because when you look at the background of our children, many of them have never even dreamed about coming from the village to Kampala. And here they are, not only in the UK, but at the Welsh Assembly. So when they go back, I think their horizons have been enlarged or widened. So they can go back knowing I can be anything, absolutely anything.
From our point of view, to have this group of young people who are so interested in democracy in Wales and very keen to talk to young people here about what they can learn, it's just wonderful. I mean, it's a real experience just to be in their company.
Dyma'r eildro i Gôr Plant Destiny Africa ymweld â Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru ac mae wedi dod yn enwog ar y llwyfan rhyngwladol.
Absolutely inspirational, fantastic. I mean, you feel the hairs on the back of your neck coming up, singing and dancing, and it's just wonderful.
Yn ystod ei hymweliad, cafodd y cantorion ifanc gyfle i gymryd rhan mewn dadl yn hen siambr ddadlau'r Cynulliad, Siambr Hywel.
So what we've enjoyed most here at the Assembly is the educational part. For some of our children who want to be politicians, one of them wants to be the president of Uganda, so coming here is really, really inspiring.
It is something that I hold really dear to my heart, to see the positive development and enrichment of children. And I think that the children here in Wales and the links to the children in Africa have significantly gained from those cultural connections.
Daeth yr ymweliad i ben gyda perfformiad y plant ar gyfer aelodau'r Cynulliad, grwpiau ieuenctid a'r cyhoedd yn y Pierhead.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.